Hey, my lovers, today we are creating an experiment. Let's make this spicy veggie soup together. To a pot, add some fish of choice and add some chili sauce. This is a Sophydee chili sauce. It contains all the base ingredients that you need for any sauce or any cooking. Add some of that, add some dry herbs to your pot, add some pepper soup spice. Look at that. Add some seasoning powder to taste. Add some water and give this a good stir. Cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Take a moment to breathe this in. This is where the magic begins. Add some salt. I'm using pink salt. Don't rush this part. Stir and add some water to loosen this up and allow to cook for another 10 minutes. Inhale that aroma. This is where everything starts to come alive. Add some fresh celery stalk. Allow to cook for 2 minutes. Add some fresh carrots. Allow this to cook for 1 minute. This is more than a sauce. It's warmed culture and a reminder that food can be both powerful and healing. Now add some fresh celery leaves and allow to sit for 1 minute. And your delicious soup is ready. Look at that beauty. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a beautiful meal. Serve this as is or with steamed rice, potato, yam, or any food of choice. From my kitchen to your soul, stay nourished, stay intentional, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Love you.